Hello and welcome to ShelterMODE, the premier YouTube channel for shipping container living. In this video, we bring to you the most charming and visually appealing summer container tiny house in Saulkrasti, Latvia. Stay tuned to find out more about this amazing rental. Good, welcome back. If you are looking for modern floor plans for container homes, a weekly update on case studies of the most influential shipping container homes from around the world, plus detailed articles from our building guide for shipping container homes, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for these and more weekly videos. Remember to click on the bell so that you get notified whenever we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. This charming tiny home is located in Saulkrasti, Latvia. On the outside, this tiny home is so visually appealing that it can't go unnoticed. The cabin is fronted by a wooden trellis with plants and flowers looping artfully around the perfectly placed planters. The yard is equally lush with greenery, surrounded by well-manicured lawns that transform this tiny rental into an adorable tiny home, both inside and out. This charming tiny home is built from a single 20-foot shipping container. This cozy abode is perfect for 2 guests and is equipped with everything necessary for a comfortable stay. From the entrance, the container accommodates a small living room that also doubles up as a sleeping space. It is equipped with a day bed, which can be drawn out at night as a bed and used as a seat during the day. The living room has plenty of overhead shelves that hold indoor plants and provide space for the items and decorations inside the cabin. There is a small dining table and with 2 orange seats, which offers 2 diners a place to eat. The front of the cabin is fitted with floor-to-ceiling glass windows and doors, which invite the sunlight into the house and saturates the space with natural light. The ample lighting helps to create a sense of openness and spaciousness, hence killing that claustrophobic feel of being in a container steel box. The kitchen is thoughtfully arranged with many overhead and underneath storage shelves to save on space. In a 20-foot container at 160 square feet, the space may feel small, but is more than appealing. The use of color on the door frame and the red rug on the floor and adequate daylighting amplifies the small indoor space. The cabin is fitted with a shower that has a frosted glass exterior with a view to the outside. The frosted glass adds privacy to the bathroom and a bit of design flair to the exterior of the home. In addition to the shower, the bathroom also includes a toilet and a sink. The wooden deck is the best design element of this small space. It was an ingenious way to extend the limited indoor living space inside the cabin to the outside. Meticulously built with wooden planks and surrounded by greenery, the deck is a fantastic spot to unwind and admire the well-landscaped garden and manicured lawns. The deck is fitted with a dining table to accommodate more diners to compensate for the limited dining space inside the cabin. On the outside, the semblance of a shipping container is visible only through the corner posts, which are a bit conspicuous. However, the use of red color on the window frames and full height glazing, plus the meticulously built wooden deck to the front of the container, transforms this summer container rental into a beautiful haven to spend your holidays. We love everything about this tiny container house, particularly the outdoor sitting space. Which part of this amazing container rental appeals to you the most? Give us your opinion by posting in the comments section below. If you like this video, as usual, give it a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, our YouTube channel is a one-stop shop for a complete guide on how to design, how to build, how to insulate, and a collection of hundreds of blueprints for container homes designs. In addition, we also cover case studies of the best homes made from shipping containers from around the world. For this and more, feel free to subscribe and remember to click on the bell so that you don't miss out on any of our amazing weekly videos. You can also contact us on our website sheltermode.com or follow us on social media platforms through the links in the description below.